then?
Yes, Mama.
What are you reading?
I'm reading a book.
What kind of book you
Mind
reading?
training.
Show me. Oh, you're reading a mind training?
Yeah.
Who wrote this book?
The Dalai Lama.
His Holiness the Dalai Lama?
Holiness of the Dalai Lama.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah, translated by Tenzin Jinpa.
Huh?
And translated by Tenzin Jinpa.
How to spell? Thupten Jimba.
Tenzin Jinpa.
Jimba.
Jinpa.
Oh, okay. This is one of the Rinpoche's
Yeah.
name. Okay. And tell me, what so far, how many pages did you read?
I read at page 287.
Page 87?
Yeah.
Wow. So, past how many days you been reading this book?
Since
Look here.
Mama, it's since the beginning
What do you mean since beginning?
of the book.
Since beginning when? Like it been 1 month, or it's been 10 days, or it's been 2 months? How long you've been reading this book? Do you remember?
Maybe
You don't remember?
2 months.
2 months maybe?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So today you said it's the 87th page?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So far you have you read 87 pages, right?
Yeah.
And tell me, what did you learn in this 87 pages? What is the most important thing you learned?
I learned that one. I learned about the Buddha and stuff.
You learned about the Buddha?
Yeah, and I learned about something better, like destroying bad stuff.
Huh?
Destroying bad stuff in your mind.
Okay.
Okay, that's it.
No, just tell me 3 more things.
Teaching us how to be kind and never give up, and to follow your dreams.
Okay.
That's it.
Oh, okay.
Okay, Mama.
Keep continuous reading, okay?
Okay.
Okay.